Have you ever found yourself pondering if there's a shortcut to inviting more wealth and abundance into your life? Well, wonder no more. Join us on a journey as we delve into Bob Proctor's transformative technique, designed to shift your financial reality in just 3 minutes. Discover the power of the law of attraction as we unveil the secrets to effortlessly attracting money and prosperity. Get ready to embark on a path towards financial freedom and unlock the abundance you deserve. Get ready to explore a prayer technique that demands only 3 minutes of your time, yet holds the potential to completely transform your life. Within these brief 3 minutes, you can initiate a profound shift. This potent method has the power to unlock miracles, especially in the financial domain. If you're aiming to make a positive impact on your life with minimal effort, then stay tuned because today's video is precisely tailored to your needs. In this presentation, I'll delve into a prayer technique that has reshaped the lives of countless individuals in their pursuit of wealth and happiness. This technique has left a lasting impact on those who have diligently followed it. So, let's dive right in. Warm greetings and a splendid day to each of you. Firstly, let me assert something to you. You are unstoppable. While your path may present challenges, there's no doubt that you hold the key to every dream. This means you possess remarkable strength and must persevere in your pursuit of goals. Your aspirations hold immense significance and deserve patient nurturing. Success is a journey that unfolds gradually, and as long as you remain steadfast on the right path, it will inevitably find you. You wield sole authority over your dreams and aspirations. Therefore, before we proceed any further, I urge you to cultivate self-belief. Envision yourself standing at the crossroads of potential, where the power to unlock your dreams lies within your grasp. With just a single prayer, you can embark on the journey towards your desired goals. This prayer isn't mere utterance. It's a meticulously crafted technique designed to manifest your dreams. Personally, I've experienced remarkable success through this technique. One follower even manifested $10,000 through consistent practice. This technique, which I'm about to unveil, resonates deeply with the concept of superconsciousness. Here's the crux. If you genuinely desire to manifest wealth or attain financial abundance, you must saturate your mind. Now let's delve into the prayer. But don't merely observe, engage with me. In the comments section, affirm, I commit to saturating my mind. Saturating your mind entails immersing your thoughts, beliefs, and consciousness in your intentions and desires. This principle underscores the importance of directing your thoughts and energy towards your aspirations, thereby shaping your reality. Imagine this scenario. You're holding a glass of water. As you pour water into the glass, it gradually fills up until it reaches capacity and spills over. Similarly, envision your mind as that glass of water. When your mind reaches saturation, there's little room for conflicting thoughts. Replace limiting or doubtful thoughts with feelings of abundance and prosperity. Just as adding water to a cup of coffee causes it to overflow, saturate your mind with thoughts of abundance to replace scarcity. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Understand that when your mind becomes saturated with a specific thought or belief, there's little space for contradictory notions. By fostering an atmosphere of abundance in your mind, you eliminate any room for lack or scarcity. This shift in mindset, from scarcity to abundance, holds transformative power. As ancient wisdom teaches us, we are renewed by the transformation of our minds. This renewal involves substituting old, doubtful thought patterns with new, abundant ones. You might be pondering how to fill your mind with abundance. It's straightforward, requiring just 3 minutes of your time. Firstly, acknowledge the potency of the moments preceding sleep. Often deemed the most transformative period of your day, it's when you can mold your subconscious. Your subconscious is receptive to suggestions from your conscious mind, particularly before slumber. As you transition from beta to alpha and theta brainwave states, your subconscious becomes highly susceptible. During these critical moments, Engage in the exercise of saturating your mind with thoughts of abundance and prosperity. Envision your goals as already accomplished. Affirm positive declarations pertaining to wealth and triumph. By consistently devoting just 3 minutes each night to this practice, you're programming your subconscious for abundance. Over time, this routine will instigate profound shifts in your mindset and subsequently in your reality. So commit to this regimen and witness miracles unfurl in your life. This marks the pivotal juncture where your subconscious is receptive to your thoughts. The content you feed your mind before sleep can profoundly influence your subconscious, aligning your objectives with the cosmos and paving the path for your aspirations to materialize. To harness this potential, you must optimize this moment. Instead of fixating on tomorrow's breakfast, infuse your mind with sentiments of abundance, triumph, and affluence. Now, to augment the efficacy of this method, allow me to introduce an additional approach. Before drifting into slumber, shut your eyes and release all tension. Visualize yourself counting money, selecting a currency that resonates with you, whether it's dollars, euros, pounds, or your local currency. Feel the texture of the currency in your palms. Conjure its aroma. Whether it's $10 or $100, immerse yourself in the sensation of opulence. Have faith in yourself, believing that your subconscious will guide you towards wealth. Bear in mind, this isn't an instantaneous phenomenon. Consistency is paramount. Persist in saturating your mind with thoughts of abundance and success, devoid of skepticism. Place trust in the process, understanding that your conscious and subconscious minds will synergize to materialize the life you yearn for. Consistency is vital in reshaping your financial circumstances. Another strategy to expedite this manifestation process involves utilizing a vision board. Seek out images of the currency you're focusing on and allow your imagination to interact with them. Touch these images as though they were tangible, immersing yourself in the sensation of wealth. If visualizing money poses a challenge, revert to the counting exercise discussed earlier. Regardless of your drive, discipline is indispensable for success. Dedication and faith in the techniques are pivotal. While it may take time, steadfast commitment ensures manifestation is inevitable. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey exploring the transformative technique to attract wealth and abundance. Now armed with the knowledge of Bob Proctor's 3-minute method and the power of the law of attraction, you're equipped to embark on a path towards financial freedom and unlock the abundance you truly deserve. Remember, consistency and belief are the keys to manifesting your dreams. So embrace this practice, saturate your mind with thoughts of prosperity, and watch as miracles unfold in your life. Here's to your success and abundance.